Hello Internet, this is Scott with Scott's Garage, and I'm privileged to be working on my 2000 GMC Sierra 1500. This is a 4x4 and it's the 4.8 Vortec engine, and in this video I will be bleeding and flushing the brake fluid. Please notice that I've already jacked up the vehicle. I am in my side yard. I normally don't work in the side yard, and it's just dirt on the ground, so I've used a 3/4 inch plywood to firmly base the jack stands. Make sure you position them correctly. Safety always has to be first. Please make sure that your vehicle is firmly secured on substantial jack stands. Okay, when bleeding and flushing the brake fluid, what you want to do is start with the wheel that's the furthest away from the master cylinder. So the master cylinder is way over there on the driver's side. So the furthest wheel is the passenger side rear. So you bleed this one first, and then you go over to the other side on the driver's side, and then on the front, into the front, and you do the front passenger, and then the front driver. Now I've already bled the other three lines, and so we are now at the final one, and this is the one I'll film for you. It's a very simple procedure. So basically, this is the bleeder valve right here. In the rear, I think they face towards the inside of the vehicle, but well, I guess they do here too. But there's a rubber cap. Just take the rubber cap off. Be careful, you want to put it back on, so put it in a place that you'll be able to find it later. I'm just going to carefully place this one right here. And this is a 10 millimeter. And what I have here is simply a water bottle, and it has a little rubber tube in it. You can see that the old brake fluid from one of the other wheels is there. And you put the tube, make sure that the tube goes into the brake fluid on the bottom of that, and then you just take the rubber hose and put it over the nipple. It's a nice tight fit. And then we're just going to back off the bleeder valve. So counterclockwise, just open it up. Should be able to see a little bit of brake fluid go into the line there. You can see it right there. And it's a dark color. You can notice that it's dark. And then what I'm going to be doing is making sure that the master cylinder is filled with new fluid. Again, I use this is O'Reilly's brand of a .3 brake fluid synthetic. Be very careful. This is very corrosive. It'll take paint off of surfaces, so just be careful. And then what I'll be doing is pressing the brake pedal just back and forth, this nice and gently, 3 or 4 times. And I'll have this on video, but you should be able to see the dark old brake fluid come through the line into the bottle. Now the reason you have the tube into the bottle is that when you're done pumping, you don't want air getting into the line, so the air will be pumped out of that, and then it creates its own little vacuum, and you won't have any air problem. And I'll just keep doing that until the fluid turns clear. When it's clear, we know that it's been flushed out and bled. As that master cylinder draws down, make sure you keep it topped off. Okay, you can see it right here. The upper hose is already yellow color, but right here it's nice and clear, so we know that we got the old stuff out. Well, that basically wraps up this video. I didn't record it, but you'll need to tighten the bleeder valve with a 10 millimeter wrench, and then pull the tube in that and put the wheels back on. This is Scott with Scott's Garage. I am not a professional. I'm simply a backyard mechanic, a do-it-yourselfer. Perhaps you are as well. And you can save yourself some money by flushing and bleeding the brake system. You can do it yourself. If you like the video, please hit like. Please also subscribe to my channel, Scott's Garage, and hit the bell notification for upcoming videos. Have a great day.